MTD Network this week. Well, it's been a cracking bank holiday, really sunny, but it turned a bit cold, so the jacket is on. Moving on swiftly. Red, if you need any parts manufactured, hit that red button, request a quote, pop your details in there, and we will get some quotes for you. And blue, if you want to join the network, pop your details in there. Nice and simple, we'll get in contact and we can get you signed up. So what have we been up to last week or so? Well, we're up to Medley Precision, our friend Stuart there. Great machine shop full of Matsuuras and all sorts of different machines. Have a watch of that video, it's really impressive. Desmond Engineering, huge parts is all I say. They've got a bit of spare capacity on their Hwacheons at the moment, so get in contact with those guys. Our friend Reese at 3D Print and Scan. This time he's made a part for a super yacht. So Reese, we need to get on that super yacht if possible. Power Cut in Coventry, some great machines. They've got Studer S31 state-of-the-art grinding machine. So if you need any production grinding, this machine will hold your tolerances all day long. So have a look at that video. And our friends at Ferocity, from design it through to assembly, they've made a calibration system. It's a really impressive piece of equipment. So have a look at that. What has been trending? What has been trending? Well, some bad swords, if I can say that. The big kids and you might want to watch that video. It's huge swords. So have a look at that. We got involved with that. Our friend Andy at Bedford CNC, he's really busy at the moment, but he's got a bit of spare capacity on his sliding head machine. What else we've got going on? Honal, it's not just about the machines, they've got a new website, so have a look at that. J&S Engineering Bedford, they've got a bit of spare capacity in their turning cell. And BTEC Engineering, we did a quick review of their machine shop in 60 seconds, so watch that video. That's it for this week, we'll let it crack on, so you know what I'm going to say. Red, if you need any parts manufactured, hit that red button, request a quote. And if you want to join the network, hit that blue button, pop your details in there. That's it, we'll see you soon.